Hello and good evening everyone.
Good evening.
How are you all today?
Fine.
Happy? Excited?
Yes.
So am I. Yeah. So thanks for joining me today. I am Arvind Modi, Director of iNextrix Technologies Private Limited, and I am having very exciting news for you to share. So are you all excited?
Yes.
Exactly. And me too. Very much excited for the same. Right? So today we are having a new product launch. As you all know, we are having years of experience in telecom software development and consulting. And after years of experience and customer in demand, we are now today as iNextrix launching a new product. It gives me immense pleasure to announce the name of the product, and that is iCallify. An intelligent call center software. That's iCallify. Why intelligent? Because it's using the cutting edge technologies and smart algorithms which meets the customer needs and having the all-round performances. Right. So now I'll be sharing a scenario with you, like why call center is important and why we need the call center software. Let's take a scenario. If there is a call center which is having 5 executives or agents and they are making 50 calls per day, so it's sum up like 250 calls a day. If they do not have call center software, then what exactly the routine scenario should be? What do you imagine? Like how exactly they are making the call? They will write down on a paper, maybe they are having the numbers on the paper or Excel sheet. They will be looking at the numbers, they might have a desk phone or mobile cellular, they might be dialing the numbers on their desk phone. And probably the numbers which they are dialing are just ringing, or maybe the dead numbers, or it goes to the answering machine. So can you imagine like how much time the executives of a company or a call center is wasting by making such calls? If we take like 15 seconds per call, which usually has the ringing time or maybe the answering machine or etc. So 15 seconds a call, 250 calls a day, that's like 3,750 seconds, which sums up around 1 hour. So you can imagine like a normal call center with 5 executives is just wasting 1 hour in listening the ringing of the calls. Yeah. Do you think it should be wasted?
Yes.
Or not? No,
it should not.
we are living in the digital world, man, and we should not be wasting that 1 hour. Obviously. Yeah. We are living in the world of internet. And why one should just look at the paper and dial the number? So now just imagine if you are having a call center software, then what you have to do, just upload those numbers in a system and your executive will start dialing the numbers from a single click. And that will save 1 hour a day, so 365 hours a year. And that's a big amount. So now you know like why you all require a call center software?
Yes.
Exactly. And we are intelligent call center software, iCallify. And this is why iCallify. The solution iCallify is flexible enough to fit in any scale industry, from small to large. It can be set up or implemented on premise or on cloud. As well as It can be used or implemented on a single server based on the customer need, or maybe we can have a clustered software or clustered solution using the multiple servers. So the solution is very, very scalable. Ease of use. The software is very much easy to use because of its easy and attractive UI, tooltips for a quick understanding, and a responsive UI. Right? Now you might be thinking, like, if I need a software, then what will be the time to get it installed? And we can do it in 24 hours. The deployment time is 24 hours. Apart from that, there are excellent customer service, after-sales support, which includes the training, configurations, and along with that, unlimited technical support. So now you know, like, why you require or why the iQualify is needed. Let me tell you some key features of iQualify. Single tenant and multi-tenant solution, single tenant call center solution or software, or the single tenant part or the version of iQualify can be used in any call centers, any organizations who is setting up their own call center for their own departments and staff. But the multi-tenant one is based on SaaS model, can be implemented, and it can be used on the widespread branches of any organization. So that means any number of or n number of companies can be used that multi-tenant solution. We have it both. Yeah. Live dashboards. We are having accounting dashboard as well as real-time dashboards to show the all real-time information which executive or the person needs. Yeah. Because the live dashboards are very much important. You don't even need to go deeper inside to the software to see what exactly is going on within my system. So that is how the live dashboard works. WebRTC waveform is integrated in the agent screen. It is specially designed and integrated in the agent portal to eliminate the use of hard fonts or any other soft fonts which can be installed on the system like the call center software. So your executives doesn't need any kind of extra softwares or hardwares to make the calls. They just plug the headphone in the system, log in into their portal, and simply talk to the customers. No need of any software or hardware. Simply. So that eliminates the cost as well. Live agent statistics. The managers can see agents live, like what exactly they are making calls, what exactly the campaigns they are dialing, what exactly the numbers or how many success ratio, failure ratio is there. Everything is live. Soundboard avatars can be used to enhance the agent performance and to give the quick response to the calls which are received. Imagine the scenario like if there is an inbound call and the agents are busy, or maybe agent is doing something else and he is not picking up the call, or he has picked up the call but it is taking 2 or 3 seconds for him to just say hello. And it's the predefined texts or the predefined speech every agent needs to deliver. So we have the soundboard avatars to have pre-recorded messages which agent can play on receiving any kind of call. So that improves the agent's performances. Then answering machine detection. I hope you all know about answering machines. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah. So answering machines is a very tedious thing actually. I don't like it personally. But yeah, answering machines detection is a very useful tool which is integrated in iQualify. Like your agents are making calls and the call goes into answering machine. like waiting for 15 or 20 seconds, and then the executive knows, like, yeah, this is the answering machine. I have just wasted my 20 seconds or 15 seconds or 1 minute. Alright. So the iQualify is capable enough to eliminate or to detect whether it is answering machine or not, or a human speech. If it is an answering machine, then the call goes directly to the pre-recorded message. So agent doesn't need to answer on the call or speak anything, and that will speak out and save the agent time. We can have n number of third-party integrations like CRM, web billing or billing platforms, PBXs to enhance the performance of the call center software and to make it a centralized software. Extensive reports such as missed call alerts or missed call reports, callbacks, callback report, then DID report, inbound, outbound call report, etc. Even you can have the trunk report, campaign report, everything separately. So if you want to check out a specific problem or a specific statistics, then you can have it from the reports. Now, as you all know, iQualify is what you need. So here are some major benefits which you can have using iQualify. I'll just read out because it's already written here, but you can simply check it out. One-step solution for all your communication needs. So every kind of communication can be handled from a single software. You don't need multiple softwares to have the communication needs. It can be basic for any kind of or any scale of organizations, like small to large. Single window for all operations. So again, a centralized system and a single window. You don't need to go on a multiple windows to perform specific operations. From a single window, you can have it. Streamlined process. It makes the process very streamlined. And the processes which are very tedious or difficult to do, you have to remember that is automatic in this software. Overall, it increases the customer experience and gives the quality of service. Customer satisfaction can be improved or enhanced using the software because your customers are getting on-time response from your executives and the proper delivery of everything, and they can track it. Right? So it increases the customer satisfaction, and as in all business, if customers are satisfied and your staff or executives are productive, that is what iQualify does, then it increases the ROI. So it is overall having the all benefits which a normal or intelligent call center software needs, and that is what iQualify is. I would like to share some glimpse of iQualify here, the software which we have made. So you can see here everything or each and every operation on a single screen. See, the call buttons are there, even the dial pad, web phone, script, customer information, everything. So this is all. So this is our thank you very much everyone for listening me and being a nice audience.